I finally need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. In today's video, I've always wanted to do a video like this, but I didn't find my look until recently. I just started doing this like a lot. I'm like, you know what? This is my everyday look. This is my everyday look. If I was to wear foundation to work, this would be my everyday look. But the eye part is usually my everyday look. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do this makeup look. Lord, I can't talk. I'm gonna do this makeup look, and unfortunately, you guys, I'm gonna do a voiceover because I am, I gotta focus on my makeup when I'm doing my makeup. I'm about to go outside. Where am I going? Just to get some chicken. But you can see all that in my family vlog. So do check out the family vlog, Life of the Royal Rylanders. That is us. We are royal because I'm a queen, so they gotta be, family of royal too, right? So anyways, don't forget to check out their channel, my kids' channels. They're all listed below. And if you're into gaming, subscribe to my gaming channel. I don't do anything special on there. I just save my videos for when I play the game. So, it's not a big channel, but, it is what it is. So, let's go ahead and get into this look.
Like you, I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself. Lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
Yeah, those the ones that the rugged.
I've heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange change and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the travels abroad, over the fears, the you and I, over the joys, the love and the way, over the sun, you and I, you and I, over the rainbow, the house of the wise, over the dream always repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping we will always be.
Okay.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right. But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Or tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Of you. I really didn't think I'd have to feel like this. All gas.
Alright, I had to come and stop in the middle of my video and you're like, look at this horrible, right? So I chose, when I picked my foundation, I just went with the espresso. I didn't even because this one also is espresso, but it's with rich golden olive undertones. Did not read that, but this is the one I usually use. And today I used I just picked this one. It said, you know, espresso. So it's so dark, but I already put it on my face and I couldn't take it off because it's dark. So I just went over it with my Laura Mercier powder, hoping that it looks a little bit better. It looks a little bit better to me, but not, you know, it's not. Look, my chest is nowhere near this color, bro. Like, it's just horrible. Anyway, so I'm just gonna continue and add my lashes, which, I mean, it depends on what type of lashes you like, or if you even wear lashes, because some of you girls don't wear lashes. Y'all have your own beautiful lashes, so you don't need these things, but I do. So I'm gonna go with these because they're starting off thin here, then they fade, they fluff out to the tip, which is my favorite type of lashes. If you did not know, these are my favorite type. So, and these are the Broadway eyes. They're really affordable. They're like $2 at the store. So I bought like a whole bunch of these. Look, I bought a whole bunch of lashes because I had ran out. I was like reusing lashes that needed to be thrown away. Okay, that's how bad it got. I forgot to buy lashes, which now every time I get paid, I said this in one of my videos, I believe, I go to Temu, because I still shop at Temu. And it's like this box. It's a box of lashes. I think there's 20 that come here. Okay, 10 that come in the box. I believe it's $20. I'm not for sure, but I'll tell you, I'll put the price below. But I bought 8 of these boxes. I will never run out, and I'm gonna buy some more once a month. So by the time I even get through, I would never run out. Basically, I would never run out. And I had bought a whole bunch of, you know, individual ones from the store to have variety, because it's not like they don't have different kinds. So they got different kinds, but you know, just to have like different other kinds. There are so many different styles of lashes. You know, like these right here got the like big flare out. They're flared on all sides, and the ones I'm about to put on, you know, they start small and they flare out. So all that been said, let me go ahead and put the rest of my face together and get dressed and go get my food, because it's 1 o'clock. I like to eat before my kids come home, throw all my stuff away, my trash, my evidence. I am that type of parent. Okay, I'm sorry. We eat when they get here. Then, you know, they ate out yesterday, so today I'm gonna have my food, my lunch, because I don't feel like cooking whatever I was gonna cook. I don't feel like doing that. But anyways, let me go ahead and get into this. I'm just talking too much.
Disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens. You can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions. You already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified when they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's...
Alright, so this is the final look. Unfortunately, it is so dark. I just feel so bad. I'm gonna get somebody's to I'm gonna get my husband to look at my face and tell me his honest opinion. I really feel like it's so dark. Even in the mirror without my glasses in a blur, it just looks so dark. But it looked good, but dark. Like, you know, the makeup is good, but in my opinion, good but dark. You know, it's like, you're not that black. Nothing wrong with being this black, but I'm not this black. Those are my concerns. I'm gonna put on my clothes. Look at this. You can see my cap. I gotta tuck that. I'm gonna put on my clothes and come back to you guys and show you. Well, I'm gonna take some pictures because I really like the look. It's just so dark. I don't know what to do. I mean, I know what to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a little ponytail. I don't know. I cannot wear my braids down. I have to always have some type of ponytail in my hair, which I cannot. Oh, there you go. I gotta have a ponytail. Like, it's important. I won't bring it all the way up because when I was putting this wig on, I know that I fixed it where like my hair doesn't stick out. Look at this. This wig always gives me so much trouble trying to put it on. I'm telling you. I'm about to buy me another one that's all black. Of course, I just feel like I love color hair, but I love black braids. Like, those are like my favorite. I can wear other colors, but black it just goes with everything. So I tend to wear black braids more than anything because it goes with everything, and it's gonna last the longest. Like, this is your longest hairstyle with is braids. Well, me. I keep saying everybody else, but I don't know how long people have braids in their hair. And this is a wig, so, but it's still, when I put these wig braids on, I usually still leave it on for a good 2 weeks. Because, it's supposed to be braids and everybody don't know it's a wig. They think I went and got my hair done. That's no. I don't like people enough to sit down and get my hair braided anymore. I used to do it, but now they got wigs. Why go get your hair done when I can just slap this wig on when I want to? When I want to have braids, oh, okay. I got like 2 or 3 braid wigs to just put on. Anyways, I'm not going to bore y'all with that information. Let me go ahead and put my clothes on and take some pictures and go get my food because it's 1 o'clock. This look really good outside. It really looks really good. I mean, maybe I am that black. I didn't realize.